Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a medical student studying MBBS from India or from abroad, this video is for you. So in this video, we are going to detailedly discuss about next exam. So what is next? Who wanna give this exam? Who is conducting this exam? And from which year this exam is starting? Everything will be detailedly discussed in this video. So make sure to watch till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me introduce myself. I am Puneet Suresh, studying first year MBBS at Yaroslav State Medical University, Russia. So let us firstly discuss about what is next. So next, the full form of next is National Exit Test. It is an examination conducted by Government of India to replace two major exams. So the two major exams are the final year university exam of the college and the NEET PG exam. So yes, that's true. What you heard is true. This exam will replace these both major exams. So this must sound intense, but let's break it down. Don't worry.
So now let us discuss about who has to give this exam. So to discuss about this topic, let us divide the students into two major categories, that is Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduates. So it means Indian medical graduates are the students who are studying their MBBS from India, and foreign medical graduates are the students who are studying their MBBS from any other foreign countries rather than India. So let us firstly talk about the students who are doing their MBBS from India, that is Indian medical graduates. So if you are starting your MBBS from 2024, that is from the batch 2024, then yes, you have to give this exam. That is, you have to complete your 4.5 years of course duration, and after completing your 4.5 years of course duration, instead of giving your final year MBBS exam, you have to give this next exam. So then you have to do your internship, and then for now let us discuss about foreign medical graduates. So foreign medical graduates, they have to complete the 6 years course duration from abroad, and then they have to give this next exam instead of FMG exam, and then they can practice in India. So now let us discuss about from when this exam has been implementing. So according to National Medical Council of India, that is NMC, this exam will be implemented from 2028. That is, the students who are starting their batch from 2024 are completing their 4.5 years course duration and then giving the first next exam, that is in 2028. So I hope this is clear. Then it is as usual, after 2024 batch, every other batch, that is 2025, 2026, every other batch has to give this next exam instead of the old traditional exams. So now let us detailedly understand about the structure of next exam. So the next exam will be conducted in two phases, that is next step 1 and next step 2 exam. So as we divide the students into two categories, that is Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduates, let us firstly discuss about Indian medical graduates. So Indian medical graduates, they have to complete their 4.5 years of course duration, and then they have to give the next exam after completing their 4.5 years of course duration instead of the final year MBBS exam. So after clearing their next phase 1 exam, they will do 1 year of internship in India, and then they will give next 2 exams. So after clearing these both exams, they will get a PG seat as well as they will get a license to practice in India. So for foreign medical students, they have to complete their 6 years course duration from foreign country, and then they will directly give this exam, that is next step 1 exam. So after giving the next step 1 exam, they have to do 1 year of internship in India, and then they will give next step 2 exam. So by giving these both exams, they will get a PG seat as well as license to practice in India. I hope that's clear. So let me summarize this. The student has to pass next step 1 exam to begin his internship in India, and his next step 1 marks will be considered for his PG seat, and then he has to pass next step 2 exam to get a license to practice in India. And that's simple and clear. Let us discuss about the impact of next exam on Indian medical students and foreign medical students. That is, Indian medical students, they will complete their 4.5 years of course, then they will give next step 1, and then they will do a 1 year of internship, and then they will give next step 2, and then they are licensed doctors in India. And for foreign medical graduates, they will complete their 6 years course from abroad, and they will give next step 1, and then they will do a 1 year of internship, and then they will give next step 2 exam, and then they are licensed doctors in India. So the only change is that this exam will evaluate both Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduates in the sequel scale. That is, both Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduates has to give next exam to get a license to practice in India. Most important and most trending question is that does the course duration changes in MBBS? No, there is no changing in the course duration. The course duration remains the same. only the system has been changing, only the exam system has been changed. That is, the course duration will be 4.5 years of course and 1 year of internship. There is no change in the course duration. Is there any benefit with next exam? Why all these changes has been done? So the answer is quite simple. The major changes has been done to get a standardized system in medicine in all across the India, and to evaluate both Indian medical graduates and foreign medical graduates on the same scale. And the PG admission will be more transparent, and licensing exam will be clear, and there will be a national level exam for licensing, and the students will be focusing more on clinicals now rather than only at theory. That's the complete breakdown of next exam. I hope all the questions regarding next exam are detailedly discussed in this video. That is, when this exam will start, who has to give this exam, should both Indian and foreign medical graduates should give this exam, and why FMG is cancelled and the next exam has been introduced, what are the benefits. Everything has been detailedly discussed in this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts regarding this, drop your questions in the comment box, and share this video with your fellow medicos. And if you have any doubts regarding admissions of MBBS abroad, you can DM me through Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till the next time, study well, stay motivated. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.